Not far away, a living legacy of an ancient era wanders. The rhinoceros, a lineage that has endured on Earth for over 50 million years, remains largely unchanged since the age of the dinosaurs. The name black rhino does not actually describe the color of its hide. It stems from a linguistic muddle by Dutch settlers to distinguish it from the white rhino, which possesses a wider square-shaped lip. The black rhino is a specialist browser. Using a prehensile, flexible upper lip, strip leaves and twigs from the thorniest shrubs, acting as the silent gardeners of the plains. A black rhino's eyesight is remarkably poor, focusing only within a range of a few yards. Instead, they perceive their world through a tapestry of scent and sound. Their large ears can rotate independently through 180 degrees, capturing the faintest signals from every direction. Once numerous across Africa, today every surviving individual is a priceless treasure, a tragic symbol of the war against poaching. Looking back into the past, the African rock python carries a fascinating biological secret. It is a living witness to prehistory, existing for millions of years before the first humans appeared. The small spurs near its pelvic music region are the remnants of legs it lost millennia ago. A silent reminder of a great evolutionary journey. But now, a mother python needs more than relics of the past. She carries the burden of the future. Each egg is as heavy as a billiard ball. And then, something rarely seen in the reptilian world occurs. While most snakes abandon their eggs, the mother python chooses to stay. A remarkable display of maternal devotion. Cunning predators like monitor lizards or mongooses stand no chance. A mother's love is a force beyond measure.